you hear the buzz? 1 out of every 3 bites of food you take is courtesy of a pollinator. But with over 2 million acres of land developed every year in the US, wildlife is running out of nectar and habitat sources. Gardeners truly are the guardians for the little things that run the world. I am Heather Andrews, a clinical researcher by day and an award-winning gardener and photographer. Using photography and video, I document my certified pollinator habitat, Caterpillar Haven, with how-to instructional guides. These guides have been viewed over 40,000 times. I believe we play a critical role in protecting our environment. I also believe that armed with the right know-how, gardeners can be part of the solution, creating pollinator oases for their family and wildlife. And bonus, clinical research suggests attracting pollinators to the party increases vegetable and fruit yield by 30%. As a brand ambassador for Sony, together we can encourage gardeners to participate in creating pollinator peninsulas. Joined together, peninsulas become corridors, creating fueling stations for migratory birds and the endangered monarch butterfly. Our backyards are truly nature's best hope. We're all in the same hive. Plant like your life depends on it.